غنة cases. Now let's learn the special case of no غنة. So remember this. If nun sakinah is followed by ya or waw in the same word, then there will be no غنة. We will recite it normally. This is a very easy point because this only occurs with 4 words, and they are dunya. Repeat after me twice. Dunya, dunya, dunya. قنوان, قنوان, قنوان. بنيان, بنيان, بنيان. صنوان, صنوان, صنوان. So, now let's do a small recap of what we learned in lesson number 17. So, in this lesson, we learned 3 places where there are no غنة cases. So, the first one is merge, where lam and ra come after nun sakinah or tanween, and we do not make غنة. And the second one is ilhaq, where any of the throat letters comes after nun sakinah or tanween, and we do not make غنة. And the third one is the special case, when we do merge in the same word. So when ya or waw comes after nun sakinah in the same word, then we must not make غنة. So that was not very hard, right? Because Allah says in the Quran, we have certainly made the Quran easy for those who want to learn it. Believe me, you just have to put your efforts, right? Keep praying. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.